Guys, what's up? This is Theo here, and welcome back to lesson 3 on Free Code Camp Responsive Web Design Certification CSS Grid. And we'll be starting off with this lesson, aligning an item horizontally using justify self. So you use the justify self property to center the item with the class item2. So we'll say justify self. That's our rule, and we want to say center. And we can sort of see now it's in the center. Cool. All right, number 2. Align an item vertically using align self. So align the item with item 3, and we'll say align self, right? And we choose, again, this is for vertical alignment, and we'll say end, and this is item 3, and we can sort of see now it's in 3, right? And if we wanted to say justify self center, now it's in the center vertically and horizontally. Cool, good to go. Let's go ahead and run our test. Number 3, align all items horizontally using justify items. So this is going to align all the children. So we can say justify items, and we want to give it center. There we go. All right. Number 4, align all items vertically using align items. So we'll say align items. Say end. Cool. And finally, for lesson 5 here, we're going to divide the grid into an area template, so you can group cells of a grid together into an area and give the area a custom name. Do this by using grid template areas on the container like this. So grid template areas, header, 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 advert, content, content, footer, 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 merges the top 3 cells together into an area named header, bottom 3 cells into an area named footer, and makes 2 areas in the middle row, advert and content. So it's kind of cool. So let's go ahead and try this. Right. This dot instead of the advert area. So we're just going to give it this, right? And let's see, what do we want? Dot instead of the advert area. Let's go see if we can run this. And let me sort of see what this gives us. So yeah, this is giving us sort of grid template area, and give a custom name, right? Header marks a row. So actually, I'm kind of curious. What is this? I've personally never used this. Let's just see. Border, typical solid red. Okay, I was thinking, I don't know. I guess I'd have to read more about that. I guess this is more for semantics or for just metadata about it, but I guess I'm not really understanding why we would need this necessarily. But okay. So that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, check the link in the description box for courses on React, JavaScript. If you're interested, go buy them, check them out, watch them, and see you guys in the next video. Take care.